Okay, the first mow without the baffles, I think was a success. Let me show you what we're looking at underneath. So baffle free, and looks pretty dang clean. I could certainly tell when I lifted it up with my foot after mowing how much lighter it was. So I'm thinking, go baffle free. If you've got the Hurricane kit and it's clogging up like it was for me, go without it. Let's look at some debris here. Okay, so driveway debris. This is the cut I'm getting. So still dust worthy, maybe a little longer, but I mean, it's hard to tell. It's pretty small. Nothing that would just blow away. Grass got a good cut. Nice and thick. It's at 2.5. It's like Easter egg grass that you put in an Easter basket. Okay, as far as blowback material, this stuff on here, not bad. So I would say it is a success and I am happy. Let me show you what I'm dealing with in the backyard. Then you'll know why I get all this debris. This is my back area. So it is full of, well, cracking mud now because we've had feel like temperature of 120. I've got lots of weeds. So this is unmanicured. You can see where I've trimmed the trees. All right, so following the back area, this is what we look like. We've got some mud, of course, but dang, that is so much cleaner. So much cleaner. I can take that mud off. I honestly expect a little bit of mud because that back area is septic and rabbit holes and crawdad holes and everything. So if your mower is any good at all, it's gonna be sucking up everything that's underneath it. So dang, a whole lot cleaner. That'll be a whole lot easier to clean. So baffled, no more. Love it. Take off, guys. See ya.